Today on a special episode of Knockout Kitchen, we're making Big Mac chicken wings, complete with special sauce, crispy onions, dill pickles, and sesame seeds. Take 2 dozen chicken wings and place in an orange bowl with a white interior. Then douse the wings in dill pickle juice. Cover with water and place in the fridge to marinade for at least 1 hour. For the Big Mac special wing sauce, you will need half a cup of sour cream, 2 teaspoons of relish, 2 tablespoons of French dressing, 1 tablespoon of minced onion, 1 teaspoon vinegar, a pinch of salt, 1 teaspoon of sugar. Stir. Crispy onions. Slice. Place the onion slices in a bowl of cold water. For the wing batter, we will be using 1 cup flour, a tablespoon of paprika, a tablespoon of garlic, salt, and pepper. Stir. Next, drain and dry the wings that have been marinating the whole while and add them to the bowl. Stir. Now it's time for the crispy onions. Drain and dry the onion slices, add pepper, add salt, and 2 tablespoons of flour and mix. Preheat your oil to 375 and cook the onions for around 2 minutes or until golden and awesome. Now it's time to cook those wings. Add the wings in batches and cook for around 8 minutes or until an instant read thermometer reads 165 Fahrenheit or 75 degrees Celsius. Now it's time for construction. Special sauce. Crispy onions. Dill pickle coins. Then shower with toasted sesame seeds and you are done. There you have it, folks. Knockout Kitchen's take on Big Mac wings. And let me tell you, this sauce will probably be the best thing you ever put in your mouth. Like ever. It's ridiculously delicious. And these wings taste exactly like a Big Mac, minus the beef, with chicken. As always, thanks for watching. I respond to all of my comments, and they really do mean a lot to me. If you enjoyed this recipe, then like the video up. It helps putting eyeballs on my channel, and be sure to share with your friends on social media and subscribe for more recipes. It's free!